Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to add a video or embed a video into your site or a blog post. So first thing, obviously, you got to create the video. Create it, upload it to a YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can sign up for one. They're free. Just go to youtube.com, create an account, and then it'll allow you to create a YouTube channel. Once you have the video uploaded, you'll see down here we've got a share button. Click on share. Next, choose embed. Okay. If you have multiple videos, you can share the playlist, but I normally don't. Since this is just a single video for a blog post or for a page or what have you, you want to uncheck the box share with places starting from. Now click on the Show More button. Down below, let's choose a custom size. Okay, size for the pages and blog posts that works best is the width of 725. Okay, and that's it. Now we just copy this code, go back to your blog post. Now what I usually do is I put a P or a video, I'll type in the word video, where I want the video to go. Because if we have text above and below the video, it's easier to see where this video needs to be placed in the source code. Click on source code, and where you see video, highlight it and paste the code that you copied from YouTube. Click OK. And now you have a video in your blog post. Same thing goes for an area page or a content page or anything else. It's always this source code button and paste it in. Videos on the sidebar, you should have them at 400 as far as the width goes. But if they're in a blog post or a content page or an area page, 725 works. And that's it. Thanks.